1 Timothy
First Timothy
chapter 5,
chapter 5,
8 to 16.
8 to 16.
But if anyone does not provide
But if anyone does not provide
for his relatives,
for his relatives
and especially
and especially
for members of his household,
from members of his household,
he has denied
the
the faith
faith
and is worse than
and is worse than
an unbeliever.
an unbeliever.
Let a widow
Let a widow
be enrolled
be enrolled
if she is not less than
if she is not less than
60 years of age,
60 years of age,
having been
having been
the wife of one husband,
the wife of one husband,
and having a reputation
reputation
for good works.
for good works.
If she has brought up children,
brought up children,
has shown
has shown
hospitality,
hospitality,
has washed the feet
has washed the feet
of the
of the
saints,
saints,
has
has
cared
cared
for the
for the
afflicted,
afflicted,
and has devoted herself
and has devoted herself
to every good work,
to every good work,
but refused
to
enroll younger widows,
widows,
for when their passions draw them away
rob them away
from Christ,
from Christ,
they desire to marry, and so incur condemnation for having abandoned their former faith. Besides that, they learn to be idlers, going about from house to house, and not only idlers, but also gossips and busybodies, saying what they should not. So I would have younger widows marry, bear children, manage their households, and give the adversary no occasion for slander. For some have already strayed after Satan. If any believing woman has relatives who are widows, let her care for them. Let the church not be burdened, so that it may care for those who are truly widows.